Today we will be talking about the Procolored F13 Pro Panda DTF printer, a powerful and efficient solution for high-quality transfer printing. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this transfer printing machine in the description below at the latest price. The Procolored F13 Pro Panda is designed to meet the demands of businesses that require vibrant, detailed prints on fabrics and other specialized materials, combining advanced technology with ease of use. This printer supports Windows operating systems and features dual print heads that work simultaneously to deliver crisp images with a maximum resolution of 2800 by 1400 dpi. The color configuration includes CCMMYK plus 6 white ink channels, allowing for vivid colors and excellent saturation that bring designs to life. A key feature of this printer is its white ink circulation system, which includes automatic stirring and a siphon filtration setup to maintain ink purity and prevent clogging. This reduces maintenance needs and ensures continuous, high-quality printing without interruptions. Additionally, the semi-automatic cleaning and moisturizing systems keep the print heads moist and clean, avoiding dryness that can affect print quality. The device supports roll film printing with a smart cutter tray, allowing users to print continuously without frequent film changes and minimize material waste, resulting in cost savings and improved workflow efficiency. Beyond printing, the Procolored F13 Pro Panda comes with a shaker oven that offers automatic powdering, sleep functions, and smoke filtration, enhancing the overall printing process. Its sturdy design measures 14.5 inches deep by 29.5 inches wide and 14.5 inches high, with USB connectivity to seamlessly integrate with PCs. The comprehensive warranty provides peace of mind with 6 months coverage on the print heads and a year on accessories, backed by 24/7 customer support. Overall, this printer is ideal for businesses looking to boost productivity and achieve industrial-grade print quality with minimal hassle. Ask ChatGPT.